latest Facebook marketing trends to keep an eye on in 2020. Hey there, fellas. One thing you can take away from this training is that every single strategy we teach here is future-proof. But you also have to learn that the best moment to prepare for what's to come is now. And there's no doubt that Facebook marketing will change in the upcoming years. Some of these changes will happen sometime soon, and some are already happening. So, to keep you up to date, we have researched and collected the Facebook marketing trends worth keeping an eye on this year and beyond. Advertising costs. If there's one thing we love about Facebook advertising and about online advertising in general is that it is incredibly affordable when compared to other media. Yet, the cost of advertising on Facebook has been rising year over year, and the trend isn't stopping. While we don't believe that there's a reason to worry about it, we do believe that you have to keep an eye on it in the upcoming months. While many marketers are baffled by this trend, we have tracked it to the growth in the number of advertisers joining the platform, which increased from 4 million just 3 years ago to 7 million in the current year. Automation. Automation and artificial intelligence is on the rise, and adoption among Facebook marketers is steadily growing. It makes sense, seeing the benefits of automating customer care using chatbots, just to give you an example. But you have to consider that these technologies are still in their early stages and prone to mistakes. So it's actually fine if you wait before adopting it. Some automation features are already running your ads without you noticing. These features include automatic placements and automated bids. Other features such as dynamic formats and automated creatives, as well as automated language translations, although far from perfect, provide a look into the future of Facebook advertising. The simplified mobile experience. Much of Facebook's ad revenue, up to 93% of it, comes from mobile. Because of this, Facebook is looking to enhance and simplify the mobile experience. This means that in the near future, the emphasis will be on mobile ads and mobile experiences. And just like the recent changes in how content is shown in the newsfeed, you can expect desktop content and desktop ads buried in favor of mobile content and mobile ads. And you can see glimpses of this mobile-first simplification when you optimize posts or ads for mobile. On desktop, you have to compose a headline, a description, a link headline, and to add a URL for the link preview. On mobile, all that content gets simplified to a single headline that contains your keywords and a link preview. The takeaway here is, practice simplifying your copy and fine-tune the art of using long-tail keywords as headlines. You will be doing this a lot. Facebook Stories. If you spend enough time on Facebook, you have surely noticed that stories take considerable real estate in the top of your timeline. While Facebook users didn't see the point of stories when they were first introduced, their widespread use on Instagram has sparked adoption on Facebook as well, with more than 500 million daily Facebook users creating stories. In keeping with the mobile-first trend discussed before, Facebook recommends people to shoot mobile-style stories for newsfeed stories and for ads because they better resemble organic content and can help you generate more engagement and better results because they look more authentic. So, keep this in mind the next time you produce content for Facebook. Start practicing creating visual content for stories instead of creating static posts only, as this will help you stay in the loop if they ever overdo classic posts in the timeline. Video for increased engagement. Video is the most engaging marketing format, period. Not only on Facebook, but just about everywhere. A fun fact about video on Facebook is that most of it plays without audio by default. While this doesn't mean that you have to create mute videos, it means that you have to create captions for each of your videos if you don't want users scrolling past them. Video is so good for engagement that the Facebook marketing team has integrated it into tools that are not traditionally video-oriented, such as polls. This, along the rise of stories and mobile-first content, means that you have to start focusing on video production. Facebook Messenger. Messenger, Facebook's built-in instant messaging tool, is becoming increasingly popular. So popular, in fact, that Facebook now allows you to create ads for Messenger users. In other words, promoted Messenger messages right into a user's inbox. As if this weren't enough, the Messenger inbox is getting automated, with chatbot platforms selling chatbot services that integrate with your pages. And this is it, friends, the current Facebook marketing trends that are going to shape the future of Facebook marketing.